Hey, what's up, y'all? So here I just got to Hakodate, and you know, I'm gonna show y'all around. Let's see. Film. Ikimashou. Oh, and right now I'm heading to like an arcade. So far it looks really nice and cheap. All of the food and stuff, it seems very cheap. Yeah, right now we're gonna walk like 40 minutes, so high chance my battery is gonna die like always. But we'll be walking somewhere, and you guys can experience the walking with me. I don't like taking the bus because it's like sometimes if I see a spot that I like, I kind of miss it on the bus. So if I walk everywhere, I get to like explore and see everything. Oh, is there a mall here? Look, you see exactly what I'm talking about. There's a Aeon Max Value. I think I'll stop by and check it out, actually. Why not, right? Yeah. Or is that just only food? It seems like it's only food. I'd say it's food, liquor, and daily necessities. You know what? I'll go in and I'll try to show y'all something out of the norm of just walking outside. So let's check out Aeon Max Value. Let's see if we find some nice snacks as well. Oh, there's a sign there, but let's go and explore. Looks like they have some frozen pizzas here too. Got some nice sushi. Let's see. Is this a milk in a glass? That looks cool. What's this? It looks weird. think everything over here is like artificial drinks. So, over here we got some miso, I think. Alright, I'm gonna turn you guys, or wait, let me go over here. Alright, this is a good spot to turn you guys off. Alright guys, I'll turn you guys on once I'm outside again. But here I'm gonna leave y'all with the hot dog snacks. Alright guys, I'll see y'all soon.